Oh my God. Dad? Elena, if you're reading this, I'm either gone or too much of a coward to face you.
They called him Shadow. His car died with his dreams. But tonight, we start the resurrection. This isn't just metal. This is a man's soul.
My father was a ghost.
1978. Highway 15, Nevada. A police chase. My mother died that night.
I was 7 years old. I never knew my father after that night. But I need to find his car. I need to understand him. 45 years.
Helmet if it's still here. You ready for this?
It's real. Shadow's Mustang.
Holy shit.
Damn. This is a $50,000 engine. Just sitting here. Frame's good. Floor pans need replacement. But Jack, this is a real Boss 429. VIN checks out.
That's it. That's my father's car. After 45 years, can you bring him back?
Not my father, but his dream. They called him Shadow. His car died with his dreams. But tonight, we start the resurrection. This isn't just metal. This is a man's soul.
All right, Shadow. Let's see what you're hiding. Pull.
Oh man, look at that interior. Don't open it. That's for her.
Damn. This isn't just a car anymore. This is a man's life. We do this right. Typical. This whole support structure is gone. We're fabricating new. Add it to the list.
Bondo and prayers under here. Classic cover-up job.
It's locked up solid.
It's savable. Needs a complete rebuild, but the block isn't cracked.
Floor pans are Swiss cheese. Full replacement needed.
All right, team. Let's get the engine mount stabilized before we lose the light. Marcus, check the schematic again.
It's real, and we can rebuild it. Then let's bring Shadow's thunder back.
Should I call her? Tell her about the letter?
No.
We surprise her at the end when the car is done. She reads it in her father's car. Perfect.
All right, Shadow, let's see what killed you. Wow.
Head gasket's gone. Probably overheated before it was parked. That's what seized it. Let's keep going.
He really was a legend.
These pistons have a story to tell.
Frame's good, just cosmetic rust.
Fatal crash on Highway 15. Woman dead, driver vanished. We're gonna bring you back, Shadow.
It's coming together.
Boss 429.
We're seeing about 3 thou out on the taper. We'll take it .010 oversized to clean it up.
We got rotation. Hell yeah!
He changed it. Started white, ended black. The Shadow evolved. So what do we paint it? Original white or final black? We sleep on it. Tomorrow we decide Shadow's final form. 327,000 votes, and it's not even close.
Became a legend in black. We honor the legend, not the beginning.
Let's build a ghost. This fender needs significant reshaping.
I marked the low spot on the quarter panel. We should start there. Body's ready for paint.
Let's paint Shadow.
That's the Shadow.
Wow.
It's perfect.
Look at that reflection. You think his daughter will recognize it? She'll recognize her father's soul.
Tomorrow, you live again.
Today, Shadow gets his heart back. Let's finish what he started 45 years ago. Left, down, stop. It's home. It's home.
No leaks. Perfect. Shadow, welcome back. Everything's ready.
Listen to that roar.
It runs!
After all this time, she runs.
Yeah, she's alive! We finally did it, look at that. Go on, Jack, let's hear it.
Hello?
Elena, we need you in Las Vegas this weekend. SEMA show, trust me.
But I thought the car wasn't finished.
Just trust me and bring your father's letter. It's time.
Wow. Beautiful. Check out that Mustang.
Oh my God. Dad? Elena, if you're reading this, I'm either gone or too much of a coward to face you.
Shadow never got his redemption, but his daughter got his dream. And sometimes, that's enough.